Huko bururiini makiria Moses Kuria nionekanite gutumura maundu matiganite kumanagia kuri ambunge aria makoragwo magitungata kaunti-ini ya Meru mokite riri jatukano ithiete na mbere na kuoneka gatagati ka ajumbe orohamwe na gavana wa kaunti ino Kawira Mwangaza ukiri uguo Miario ya Musa kana Miario ya Mutha ya kuonania ati niranyita mbaru na njira nene utongoria wa gavana Kawira Mwangaza ni koretwo ikimenererio ni kuma gicigo-ini kiu na makiria kaunti-ini iyo ya Meru.
So we go straight on to our statement. It's not very long. We feel aggrieved by the statement issued on Twitter and Facebook and on WhatsApp as issued by the Minister Moses Kuria, the Minister in charge of Public Service. Sometimes last month, Moses came to Meru and issued a statement demeaning the Meru community. As a state officer, we felt aggrieved again by that statement that
hapa katika meza hii. Kwa mimi sina mengi kusema, nasema kwamba Bwana Kuria heshimu Meru. Meru ni yule ambaye unamuelewa. Eti ya kwamba na unajua Meru akikasirika Kuria, Meru akikasirika kuvuka vosi itakuwa sita kwako. Asante na Mwenyezi Mungu awabariki na bariki Kuria mahali yuko. Na hata ukilia Kuria nikwambie, hata ukilala Kuria, hata ukiamka Kuria, no peu tena nyumbani.
Member of Parliament, and I've known Moses Kuria for about over 20 years. And there was a time we were making a party together with Moses Kuria, a political party. But I'm afraid my friend Moses Kuria, his tongue just goes. That is the only issue with him. He does not know what to say where. We know he has fallen foul of the law, not once, not twice, many times with his utterances. And when he was in Meru a month and a half back, he talked about Meru being violent. But unfortunately, my friend himself, he knows his tongue is not good.
Na wenzangu kwa yale ambayo yaliweza kutokea jana, lakini kwanza niweze kuwashukuru MCAs wote kwa kupiga kura, wale wote ambao walikuwa katika nyumba ya MCAs ama kule County Assembly.
Haya, riu shino Uteti urangithi na mbere na kwigarura kuria kaunti-ini ya Meru ririkana gavana wa kaunti ino Kawira Mwangaza riu ndiretia kumuhagura ni hageketwo ria keri kumanagia na kuria thiete na mbere na gukora gicukiro maundu matiganite ari hamwe na uhuthiri muri wa wabici macene mo maundu marekana ni moho ni kwa maitho maitu riu maroreiyo kuna ugucoka guthia atia no